and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold rose to an over 2-week high, buoyed by safe haven demand after US President Donald Trump's tariffs went into effect and US jobs data added to rate cut expectations. Wall Street's main indexes trimmed their early gains amid concerns over the Federal Reserve's independence, following a report that Fed Governor Christopher Waller was President Donald Trump's top candidate for the central bank's chair post. Ripple announced that it will acquire stablecoin-powered payments platform Rail for $200 million, with the deal expected to close in the fourth quarter of 2025. The company said the move aims to expand its enterprise-grade digital asset infrastructure.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.